Robert Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, guys. This Dodge actually in the rest of the world, okay, let me show you, is known as Fiat Freemont, guys. Fiat Freemont. In the US it's known as Dodge Journey. So we'll show you guys in today's video how to remove, and how to replace the master window switch. That's what we'll be doing. Dodge Journey, Fiat Freemont will be the same. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Many videos will be uploaded to save you as much money as we can. So what do you need now, guys? Plastic panel removal tool like this one, so you don't scratch your door panel. For this specific master window switch, you do not need to remove the whole door panel. Okay, all we have to do, get one of those tools or a screwdriver, but you can severely damage your panel, so I wouldn't recommend screwdriver. Get it underneath, okay, and pry it out. Okay, you can see right here there is a metal clip, one on this side, one towards the back, and pull it out like that. Now, we need to go ahead and disconnect it, so that will be a little bit of an interesting thing to show you. So what I'll do, I'll disconnect it and show you where the clip connectors are. Right here on the bottom, push up, okay, and disconnect it. I'm talking about this connector, okay, right here. You can see you need to push down and pull it out. Same thing for the big guy. Okay, and the old switch, guys, came out of the way. Now I'll grab the new one and I'll show you guys how we're going to install it. Okay, and you can check out the description of the video below to see where we buy the parts for really cheap, guys. So really affordable price, check it out, and let's get the new one now. So this is, guys, now the new switch. Okay, so we're going to connect the connectors one at a time. Big one first. Okay, until it clicks. Small one second. Perfect. Now align everything really good here and push down until it gets stuck. Okay, just like that. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.